Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to it if you're here for the first time. If you're here for the first time, hi, I'm Will Venus, and I love colourful, bright, vibrant, unique makeup, which is why I probably bought this, or probably why I bought this. Get your words right, Will. So if you want to see an unboxing of this, the Made by Mitchell x Melissa Jade collection, keep watching. So I have it here in this bag, so let's get it open. I have no idea what's inside it. I've been trying to avoid all things Made by Mitchell online recently so that I don't see what it contains. So, oh, this is... Okay, firstly, let's just take a look at this box. How colourful is that? It reminds me of the BBC test card. Remember those? Oh, that is so cool. So it says on, actually it says on the back what's in it. I'm trying not to look at it. I want it to be a surprise, so let's get it open. An unboxing video. That is so cute, don't you think? Oh. No way. If this first thing that I'm going to pick out is what I think it is, it's a blush. And it says Green Queen. Is this a green... Let's get it open and find out. So take out the box. Are we ready? It's green! Oh, Melissa Jade, she has green hair. I don't know why I was sniffing that there. There was a... Oh, that's lovely. It's a green shimmer. Oh, I love. So it's a blush called Green Queen. And there is another blush called Sold Out. Will this be another shimmer? Let's see. No, it's a blush. Blush. It's very red. That's intense. And of course it's extremely pigmented. Oh, it's done a little love art shape. Love. And this is a limited edition box, so I'm not sure if it's sold out already. But when they were doing the launch of it, I skipped the bit where they were doing like the... In fact, did they do the details of the inside? No. Anyway, they were doing the launch of it and I just bought one and I could see within the first half hour they sold like 1,000 of them. What's this next one? Graph Ink Matte Finish Liquid Liner. Is that matte finish lip liner? Eyeliner? Both? Oh, and it's called Gaga! You all know how I feel about Lady Gaga, so if they're... It better be good if they've named it after Gaga. Because she is my... She's my queen, she's my leader. Just trying to get the plastic off of this. That's all I can think of. It could... I mean, there's no other person called Gaga. Better not be. So that's what it looks like. It's got a lovely matte feel to it. And of course it's got the Made by Mitchell logo on it. Do you unscrew this? Yes, you unscrew it. Don't try and pull it off. It's a very fine tip. And it's, yeah, the same colour as that. Purple. Oh, it's a very fine nib, so it can go from very thin to very thick, so just... That's nice. Like Mrs. Brown. That's nice. Interesting that they called it Gaga. Or is there another reason they called it Gaga? Let me know in the comments if you're aware of any reason. The next item is All Smudge No Budge with Melissa Jade, and it's eyeliner pencil. It's really cute packaging. They've always got really cute packaging. Oh, and this one is called Wink Wink. Oh, and it's a nice little crayon type thing. It's like magenta. I'm running out of space in my hand. I'll just put it on the hairy bit. That'll do me really nicely when I do pink or purple looks, because I don't have any eyeliner that's pink or purple. That's really cool. Next item, including this, there's 2 more. Glazed, not phased. In the shade Cosmo. What is this? Gel Glaze Cream Shadow. This sounds good. Add a little box. Is this teal? It's got a little foil on it with the Mitchell logo on it. These are always a nightmare to get off. How'd you get it off? You're set. My camera's going to do this absolutely no justice, but yeah, there's the colours of it. That is nice. And it's glitter. It's got really deep orange. Orange? No. A really deep green. There it is. So imagine this paired with that. I need to do an eye look with this. Video coming soon. So with this, it needs to be used within 12 months. That's the Cosmos Phase Not Glazed. With the liquid blush, that needs to be used within 12 months also. The blush sold out, needs to be used within 12 months. And the same with the All Smudge No Budge eyeliner pencil, and 12 months for the graphic ink. And there's one more thing I want to show you. When I did a sneak of this online, I thought, I want this, I really want it. And it is made by Mitchell x Melissa Jade. I don't know what brush this is called. Maybe it's just Melissa Jade brush. Look at this. Pink to green. I love that. That could be used for your blush and whatever else you want to put on your face. Oh, I love this. How cute is that? Okay, it's got something written in the box. I'll read it to you. So it's got a statement from Mitchell and one by Melissa Jade, but I'll read the both of them. From Made by Mitchell's beginning in 2020, I've created my brand for the fearlessly creative, the makeup obsessed, the colour addict. If you don't consider yourself one of the above, I consider it my mission to inspire you to step out of your comfort zone. Well, I'm definitely one of the above. When I first found Melissa, I could instantly recognise how fearless she was with her makeup and her self-expression. Melissa is unapologetically herself, being her bold, strong, outrageous and fierce. We immediately connected. The more we got to know each other, the more it was obvious became that our ideas, they went far beyond artistry. They were aligned. This collection is to capture the artistic influence of someone who captures Made by Mitchell. Thank you, Melissa, for supporting my brand and your platform to help the rest of the world become a more authentic and colourful place. That's really nice. And then Melissa Jade says, in August 2022, you guys met the mystery box. Over 30,000 people were delivered a random selection of Mitchell's iconically coloured collection, and nearly 30,000 asked the same question, what do I do with this? We all have our own purpose and story to tell within makeup, and mine is exactly the answer to that question. Makeup is to experiment. It's to be yourself or to be a character. There are no rules and there's no limit. I watched the UK beauty community come together in the tens of thousands, educating and sharing these mystery boxes with me, with mine and Mitchell's name on it. Then and there I realised it is about more than just the products or the industry. This is about community coming together over the bond of being yourself. This is a movement. This collection is inspired by the version of myself I embrace with makeup, and the mystery box that inspired us all. I think that's really nice. So if you've enjoyed watching this video, please leave a... Well, first of all, take away the cat hairs and leave a like. Comment below what your favourite ones are and what you want to see me use. And if you're new, please subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Take care, be kind, and I'll see you soon. Bye.